lucky and you come today or too much lucky.
Give it to them.
Tomorrow bring us our dinner.
Ay, nadampot ka pa. Wait lang ha. Dalian mo na! Dalian na!
Bilis! Unang bato para sa unang mamaw na bangungot.
Hindi ko alam kung nakikita mo kita. Blah! Oink!
Later.
Ituwang niya.
Hilahin mo na ba?
Oh, hilahin mo na! Hilahin mo na! Hilahin mo na! Dalian na! Dalian na! Dalian na kasi ano na niya. Dali na! Na? Meron! Meron nga! Ayun na! Ayan na siya. Oh, mamen! Sakto lang. Oh, James! Hi, James! Hi, James! The name of the fish is James.
Big one.
Yeah, the big one. Oh, big one. Come on, baby. Bilis pa, bilis. Napagod na siya. Sakto lang pa. Wala pa tong ano. Sakto lang. Baby, come on, baby.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, very big. James. The name of the fish is James. Very good. Agay, teka.
Hi. One down.
Wala pang wala pang
Wala pang
20
isang
minutes.
oras.
Wala pang 20 minutes, but
Wala
20,
20 minutes.
12:20
Another one.
second.
Unang bato. Isa. Pangalawang bato. We'll see.
One, two. One.
Later.
Dali apa? Dali. Dali pa, dali. Ayan na po. Next.
Nagbugas lang ng kawa.
Wala na akong tsinelas. Oh, tinanggal ko na. Next. Dali. Dito, dali. Dali. Coming down. Huh? Good? Yeah. We are good tandem, you know? We are good tandem. Yeah. Yeah. You see? A minute 12:56. Sige, hila ka pa. Hila. Yeah, good. Malaki yan? Malaki?
First one.
Aba.
Wala.
12:56. Wala. 1 minute naman. Pagod na siya? Yeah. Yeah. Asa na siya? Napagod na siya. Brother, can you take me a video?
first one ah.
Uy,
Ako. Ulitin niya.
ha? Akin na pa. Sige pa. Sige, go. Champion! Another one. Big! Big that, the other one. Yeah. Ikaw. Kawalan mo? Maraming gusto oh. Pero baka may marami pa pa. Last na? Who wants to eat? The big one. I'm asking you guys, that is true. Who wants to eat? Yeah. Who wants fish? You guys? It's yummy, you know. No eating? No eating? I give you, or else we will release it, that one. Brother, because...
I have one already.
Yeah, we have already. No, we are only two. Or else we will release it. Put it back. Yeah. No need money, brother. No need money.
You want?
Uy, sa'yo na daw. Give it to them. Okay. O, bigay mo na. Kasi i-release mo pabalik yan. Yeah, that is yours. Congratulations. Congratulations, brother. Yeah. We're only enjoying. Thanks to my husband. Sorry? Why? Why you said no? No need money. We are just only enjoying.
Also, good luck.
Yeah. The other day, we got also two. Yeah, we will release. Yeah, we will release. Hey, you get that one?
We already have one.
No
Only 2 months.
need too much. We're not. Yeah. We're only enjoying. 4 kilo? You know what? It's yummy, brother. When you grilled it, please. Grilled it. Put it salt, more salt and ano pa kayo nilagay mo pa? Sabihin mo. Yeah, it's yummy. You make it. He is very good fisherman, you know, in our country. He is very good. He is very good fisherman.
Very good.
Yeah.
Lucky only.
Yeah, lucky only today. Tomorrow, the next day.
Try one more.
Try one more. Oh. Take one. Take 3. Round 3. 1. Round 3.
Round 2. 2 fish.
2 fish.
1 fish. Round 2. 2 fish. Round 3.
We'll see. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Go! Ay! Sige. Sige, gura.
And another one.
Dapat ba to? Tatlo huli.
Wait! Ay! Ay! Yay! Ala, 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 ala! Dali, dali ah! Akin na, akin na! Akin na! Akin na! Lala, nagdagan siya dito sa ano, kay kuya. Tumakbo siya, tumakbo. Tumakbo siya kay kuya. Nadali yung ano niya, nadali yung... Wala, nadali yun. Naputol? It's okay.
Kita nila ng mga fishing yung lulutan ng floater.
Naputol?
Dala niya yung floater habang buhay.
Habang buhay. Meron ka pa? Naputol? Naputol! Kawawa naman.
Yung paa kasi, naputol. Wala. Di pinalan. Ayun na yung release.
Really? Ayun na yung release!
Catch and release. Kaso,
Iba yung pagka-release niya. Parang ano hindi ka na hinintay. Video ba na? Ningon?
catch and release. Nag-promise mo ni May pangatlo, i-release namin. Kaso naputol. Release na.
Na-release na talaga siya. Thank you Lord pa din.
Lord. Enjoy your life.
Yeah. He is very lucky, you know. And we are lucky today because we get to share to others. Yeah.
This guy lucky and you coming today are too much lucky.
Yeah, too much lucky. Times 2 lucky. Oh yeah, times 2 lucky. Oh, they are happy now, oh. Look.
Dalawa na.
Oh.
Kami namigay namin isa doon. Motorbike.
Na, pinagtulungan nila.
Namin.
A few moments later.
Kita nyo yung nasa sa malayo, guys. Yun na yung asawa ko. Nagbibit-bit na sa kanyang bangus. So, ayan na siya. He is coming now. Yan ay ihahatid namin sa aming mahal na kaibigan na si James. Ang pangalan ng bangus ay si James.
Something naman ito like this.
Wala ka na yan na. Nakumpay.
They're asking at our we don't have this monetized already. Not yet monetized. We just keep it
Okay.
until it's 1,000. Then it's it's if it's 1,000. Brother, you can watch. Brother, you will watch first before you subscribe so that it will dikit. It means no word. Thank you, brother.
Later.
Guys, ito na. Diniliver natin yung isang huli natin na bangus. Yung isa binigay natin doon sa mga ibang lahi doon sa na lumapit sa atin doon sa Corniche. Binigay natin yung isang piraso mga 4 kilos. Yung isa mga 3.5. Ibigay din natin sa tropa dito sa kababata natin nung sa Pilipinas nung high school. Kababata natin nandiyan siya, manager ng Burger King. Ibibigay natin sa kanya. Deliver yan, door to door. Yan si Walagtis, ganun kami mag-deliver.
Galing.
Door to door.
Well. Yeah, big fish. Yeah.
Go from Corniche, then give it to our friend.
Yeah.
How much is that? One, maybe 100 real like that. It's very delicious.
Please ask tomorrow cook then bring.
So I already have one. Then
Tomorrow bring us sardines.
Sardinas. Sardines. Spanish sardines.
Yeah.
Make it grilled.
I told you bring rice tomorrow.
Okay, I bring this one.
Bring Spanish sardines.
You bring that.
See? Monster bangus. Giant. Kita.
Laki.
Thank you so much. Sorry sa paghihintay ng matagal, ha?
Okay. Di na ka na pumasok Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, lang may service.
Oh.
Daghang kayong salamat sa pag
Deserve.
Iluwan man ako. Iluwan ako.
Bye-bye.
Dudurang talaman. Ayo.
Bili. Palit na lang kadaan.
Oh, naman may bakala dito rin.
Ah.
Bueno.
Kami ay aalis na.
Thank you so much sa pag-ibig mo pa ako.
Bye-bye! Sige, ano daw? Tsura, ano daw? Ano daw? Again.
Wala ko.
Mga kawiliktis, maraming salamat at pinanood nyo hanggang dulo ng ating video sa ating mga catching, sharing, at iba pang adventure. Maraming salamat! Oh my God!